Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a 12-in-1 USB-C charging station. We're gonna go ahead and check this out here and give it a little go. Okay. I'm not sure I need the instructions for it, but we'll show you guys what we've got. So here's the plug for it. Let's see. There we go. I will plug it in. Okay. So we'll plug this in. Here, you see it's just that two-prong plug that back of the TVs and most everything has nowadays. And so this is it here. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 USB-C ports and 4 USB ports. That is cool. Just for fun, I have, let's see, I think I have some of these here. These are just little USB night lights. I'll plug it in so you can see what it looks like. Not necessarily the intended use, but there we go. If I plug this in, there we go. So now we have different color lights. That's pretty cool. I didn't really see this one here, but you see it works on there. I have the light that I'm using for my tripod here, and I can even plug that into here as well. And I have that too. So just lots of different options in here. So very cool little thing here. And then I can plug in all these different USB-C things. Actually, I had it upside down as far as the way it goes. There's a USB-C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then USB 1, A1, A2, A3, and A4. Let's just see what it says here. Oops, I just spilled my drink. Okay. Yeah, it says 8 USB-C, 4 USB-A, fast charging. So it looks like it's going to be a really nice little device here. And it does have some information on it there. If this is the information that you need as far as the speeds and power outlets and power, that'll kind of give you a bit of the information on there. Slightly too small for me to read, but maybe you guys can see it. So pretty cool. Very nice little setup here. And it looks good. It'll look nice on my desk. So thumbs up. Very nice.